Just a couple of months ago, you had put up this post that you've picked two careers and both of which don't pay enough.
See, the finance is something in our industry is either you can make money or you can make art. I realized that one fine day I felt like, who am I becoming?
Of course, you're in Thug Life. How do I forget?
I come home and pick up I give him the keys and we start fighting. He start kind of screaming at me and she says, कि बिस्तर तो हमारा है.
Yeah.
हम दोनों का है.
And you say, no, it's mine. Beautiful.
So when I work for a village, I work for a holistic development of the village. So
You didn't go watch Sayyara in the theatres? You didn't cry?
nahi.
Hi Rajshri, so good to have you here to chat with you for The Hindu. You've been a busy person. We've been trying to line this up for a couple of months, but it was so good to see you in Rangeen and you were absolutely fantastic in it. You've always been a very consistent actor and you've been around for 10 years and you've had a certain kind of choice and roles that you have done in your career. How did you plan and end up being this person who now has 2 Filmfare Awards?
To prepare. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, Suresh. I'm so, it's so much fun to see you again. And
Yeah.
I love your place. Everything is so curated and there's some really, really interesting stuff
Oh,
which I
thanks.
see here. And you feel like, you're in a place where an artist lives.
Oh, thank you. The remains of a set.
Our life is a set, don't you think so?
Yeah. we're-
Always we carry so much.
Especially for an actor, all the world's a stage.
Yeah, absolutely. And we always have some other things in our lives because we are constantly collecting memories,
Yeah.
collecting stuff, and some things remains in our lives and some, though we try to discard them, but it takes time. But thank you so much for such a lovely introduction, and I'm glad that you you followed Rangeen and you followed a little journey of mine.
Yeah.
And
How did you get here was the first question. That's like almost might take you a while to answer that. How did you get
Yeah.
here?
If you are asking me the route, then there was no signal. So no signal. So I reached here very fast.
Okay.
But if you're asking me my journey,
No, I thought this was a metaphor for it took 10 years, since you've been doing this full time, I'm guessing.
I know, yeah, no, of course, I understand that. I'm just kidding. But, I think, I don't know, it's like getting where.
Okay.
For me, you're always in under construction. You're always constantly evolving and trying to do something different.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, maybe the work is getting better, or maybe the kind of roles or the conversations which I'm doing through my work is now in a
Where you wanted to be.
where I wanted to be. I wanted to be part of certain things, so at least it's there. But yeah, it's like a long way to go. Yeah, I feel it was a long road, but thankfully there are really great people who consider me for and they gave me an opportunity and.
Today you're sounding much relaxed and happy and hopeful. Just a couple of months ago, you had put up this post that you've picked two careers and both of which don't pay enough, right?
God, you've done your research.
No, that's when I reached out and said, let's talk about this. This is because this is important stuff we need to be talking about because cinema should be able to pay. Good intentions should pay. And but now here we are, 2 awards. You've got your second award, and you have Rangeen, and you brought water to your village. So in 2 months, you've gone from. I can see why you're more relaxed right now.
Yeah, no, of course. See, the finance is something in our industry is either you can make money or you can make art, really good art,
Mm-hmm.
because it's a journey which we have picked up.
Yeah.
That like for your kind of a voice, you always stood that this is how I want to go,
Mm-hmm.
and you always wanted to have say from your side only, rather
Yeah,
than
yeah.
someone coming on your this thing saying that you can't make this, you can't do this.
Yeah.
So similar for us also, there are very few choices and few good ones.
Yeah.
Otherwise there is tons of other things.
Correct.
But then you really want to do something which you feel more attached to, you feel you can do justice to, and yeah, there's something to do for me. So
Mhm.
those choices are very rare.
Okay.
And yeah, and then and I'm an independent film baby, so the money is anyways,
No, you
like,
coming from advertising, where which is all about the money and the branding and the marketing and all that,
yeah, I
and then this is the
know.
exact opposite.
Yeah, but I grew up thinking that money is going to solve all my problems, because I come from a humble background.
Okay.
So it was always money was always an issue in my household. So by 15, 16, I had just decided in my life that पैसा कमाना है बस.
Okay.
बाकी सब तो मतलब ठीक ही है.
Okay.
पैसा कमाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मतलब फिर आप जो चाहे वो कर सकते हो, जो
Okay.
चाहे चीज़ खरीद सकते हो, जहाँ चाहे वहाँ जा सकते हो, and you don't have to be worried about anything, because
Yeah.
I have two sisters and my mother was like a very strict person at that time. तो मेरे लिए तो एक मिशन था पैसा कमाना. So
Okay.
from 16, age of 16, I had literally, I was like running for it कि क्या कर सकते हैं. So though I was working, I was studying advertising, my law, but I was doing a part-time job in advertising. I started making, like, working, and then started my own agency. But like, after working for 5-6 years, I thought यार क्या ही कर रही हूँ मैं, मतलब हर चीज़ बेच सकती थी मैं, ऐसा था,
Okay.
like a bad product, and I used to say that, but my client says this is good, so it is good. package it in such a way that
Yeah.
we are telling the world that this is the best thing what you're buying. No matter what, the bike doesn't like do any kind of it's a bad bike, but the bike is good. So I used to do product launches
Yeah.
and exhibitions and all. But yaar, matlab, you
Did you get the feeling, like, I started with advertising too? My first internship was advertising. I had a job with FCB Ulka after college. But those 3 months of internship just opened my eyes on how, like, it was just numbers driven and there was no room for stories, right?
absolutely.
But I remember how I felt. I felt like a middleman. Like, it's not mine. I'm selling, I'm just the middle guy, like, I'm just trying to pimp someone else's product out there in the market, based on some psychological design of who we are supposed to target.
I know. So everything was just selling. For me, I used to run my own agency. I had like 30 brands with me, all industrial clients, and I was not even the middleman. I was like my client and me, and then I had like a staff, and I used to and they used to say like, look, कितना खराब डिजाइन है. मैंने कहा क्लाइंट ने डिजाइन किया है, अच्छा है, पंच लाइन अच्छी है, बेच दो. But
You were not
just
happy.
I was absolutely not.
You felt
I
there was something
felt-
missing?
Yeah. I felt that because then you don't grow. The moment you're following the masses, the moment you forget why you had started. And I was a theater person, so I had stopped doing theater. I stopped reading books, stopped watching cinema, or going to like no creative space.
Okay.
Though I was in advertising, but I was handling print, I was doing exhibitions and all. So there was no creative space as such. It was a very technical job for me. So I felt like for those 6-7 years of my life, I think like growth होनी चाहिए. कुछ
Yeah.
तो creatively कुछ तो सीखा आपने. Nothing. I thought like the entire 7-8 years was a zero for me.
Okay.
So then that's the reason, and I realized that one fine day I felt like who am I becoming? Like it happened. Like ना आप अगर वो जो बनिया बन जाते हो कि गले पे बैठना है, आपको पता है कि आपको क्या करना है. The moment you know that everything is perfect, you're done.
So
And I was in mid-20s at that time, yeah. तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही खतरा था वो.
So you kind of knew that you had to give up on, materialism, money, and all that, and be prepared for like a hard life.
Very
You knew,
uncertain
so you
life.
got into it with your eyes open.
Yeah, absolutely. I was very happy actually when I like quit one fine day. I told my business partner at that time, and thankfully he understood. He said, "Okay," and he was like, looking at me because I was really going through depression at that time,
Okay.
and I was like, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ, and you when I was a child growing up in Aurangabad, I actually had dreams to do something with my life.
Mm-hmm.
But when I moved to Pune city, then the dreams like एकदम से बाजू में रह गए, and then I just thought that dreams तो होता रहेगा, पैसा कमा लो.
Yeah.
So and then I forgot why I was here, for what I'm doing
Yeah.
and what I should do in my life. वो सब भूल गई मैं, और मैं सिर्फ काम करती रही. And then of course वो कभी ना कभी तो मतलब बादल है, वो फटना तो था ही.
So you had saved up money before you started on this
Yeah,
journey.
yeah. I kind of saved up money and decided that ki, okay, because anyways even at that time also it was not a materialistic life I had. I just wanted to make money for my mother.
Okay.
I wanted to just give all happiness to her, like buy all kind of saris to, probably I got a car for her, their first car,
Mm-hmm.
and just wanted to make things better for my parents.
Mm-hmm.
Because they worked so much, यार. तो मुझे ऐसे हमेशा लगता था कि यार, you know, I just want to give them all happiness. So it all started with that.
Yeah, I think I remember seeing you in one of the movie screenings where you were speaking about the village. You were talking about like how what was world before her? I think that screening or something else, or was it a Tamil movie screening? I don't remember. But I'm bummed. The first time I saw you was at a screening where your concern was clearly about where you come from and what the life is there like that. So you've always seemed to have like a social bent of mind of caring for community and not just you. When did this awareness start that you care for the community as much as like it's almost seems to define as like your life and like what you do?
I think it's all the way my family is, like maybe my mother, like it's like she's like that kind of a person कि मतलब जितना भी है वो सबको साथ में लेके चलना है,
Like a socialist, communist.
yeah मतलब वही कि even for her it was a very difficult journey, but still she wanted best for everyone around her. She was a government person. She worked in government, but no money taking, nothing, like एकदम honestly काम करना है. Even my father also, and my father was a farmer, but he couldn't do farming because of the industrial zone.
Okay.
So like my whole social work is also like, because my parents have actually gone through that journey. My entire family.
So you've always had this sense of belonging to the community,
हाँ,
responsibility
I've
to it.
seen that, I've seen that in my household. Even my sister, who studied medicine, who studied, she's a doctor. So she also used to go to the village and, treat patients for free of cost. So it was like we didn't had money in our pocket, but हम लोग ऐसे कर लेते थे चीज़ें. So I've seen my mother, my sister doing all these things. So वही शायद मुझे मतलब मैं आगे.
When did you officially adopt villages and schools? When did you start doing this?
When I moved to Bombay from Pune, I left my advertising, moved to Bombay, and got into this uncertain world. And for a few years, like 2-3 years, this is around 2010, 2010-12, I was like figuring it out कि करना क्या है, audition करो, मिलो लोगों से, एक हाथ सीन यहाँ कर लो, एक हाथ सीन वहाँ कर लो, short films कर लो बहुत सारे.
Yeah.
तो इन सब के बीच में क्या हुआ ना, suddenly I had a lot of time.
Mm-hmm.
So literature came into my life.
Okay.
World cinema came into my life. So it came into my life very late. But I thought, कि okay, there is no like, मतलब time frame कि बस इतना ये पढ़ना ही चाहिए, कि आज अगर मुझे नहीं पता तो I would like to know. Like I'll say that okay, मैंने नहीं पढ़ा या नहीं देखा है, but I definitely would love to know more about it. So I was always like that. So though I had the literature came very late into my life, but it just opened up my
So you
horizon.
actually made space for art from the world of hustle. Like you cleared out time from the hustle and saying, let me focus on art.
Yeah,
And then
art and
it also
life.
requires its own kind of hustle, right? How did you cope with that?
It was not a massive. No, but I think, because I was like, because I was dealing with a social structure also at the same time. So initially, like, I was just doing all kind of work.
Okay.
But then when Angry Indian Goddesses happened in 2013, and along with that, I used to pack my bag and, you know, travel around India, villages like, Kerala में जाके बस गए, कुछ सीख लिया वहाँ पे, सब studied Kalari, Kathakali,
Yeah.
you know.
You did a Malayalam film
Yeah,
back
yeah, I
then,
did,
yeah.
but that I did later. But so both started together for me, art and activism.
Oh, okay.
Like, kind of, and then hustling. It was not just about getting a lot of work. Hustling was about getting meaningful work. So when Angry Indian Goddesses came into my life, the people also changed my perception, about things.
Okay.
Like Dilip Shankar was my mentor. Nalin was a really,
Hmm.
an important person at that time for me, because, like, because when you meet some people
Yeah.
like that, they actually empower you, and then you start seeing world differently, and then again, hustling about social work and film work was not about like I need to do more and more. I need to do meaningful work. So even as a social worker, I didn't wanted to do something very temporary. So though I was in Nepal after the earthquake and Srinagar during the floods, or I was a counselor for a shelter home, but I felt like I'm not enough over here. This is not and I want to do something more sustainable, more where the change is actually happening, and it's not just on a like a photographs or something like
Mm-hmm.
that. So and the films also similar way, like Angry Indian Goddesses went to Toronto Film Festival.
Mm-hmm.
So 2015 was like my change space.
You could say that I can choose what I do. Like I can handpick what projects I do. Is that when it happened? Where
Yeah, kind of. Maybe I think uh, I also attracted those kind of project only. Like after that,
the
Sexy
intelligent,
Durga
the
came.
intelligent actor, the art film, art
I
house.
know, but yeah, but that doesn't mean that I did some one scene here, one scene there.
Of course, you're in Thug
Because
Life. How do I forget?
yeah. That because of money serves love. Okay, that happened now.
That
Like
was
that
not
I
because
did.
of script selection at all.
Oh no, no,
Hmm.
that was because of course, Mani Ratnam. Like I wanted to be part of his set, just to see how he creates magic.
It felt underutilized, to be honest. That whole character.
Yeah.
And what did you learn?
No, he's brilliant.
As a like an engineer, he knows what.
Yeah, absolutely. Of course, it's like a huge project. Uh, but yeah, like whatever, I was just there for a few days, 3, 4 days only, like not much. But it was fun just watching him create a shot. Like I really wanted to understand that how where he keeps his camera, how he shoots a scene, how he directs his actors, what
Mm-hmm.
kind of a conversation happens. So it was just fun to watch something like that,
So that curiosity as an actor, like
Absolutely.
he's one of the best technicians. What would it be to be on a set?
Yeah, I know. So it was just for
Did you
that.
hype yourself up? Did you get psyched up about this, or now you're in a place where you're like, yeah, okay, it's fine. I've done
Yeah, no, absolutely.
2 awards.
Absolutely.
Talk to my awards.
No, actually now of course I am like I was with Kamal Hassan, and I adore him a lot, but it was just a normal conversation, and yeah, I continued reading my book at that space where we were shooting. So that's matlab,
You've seen the film and all that, right?
unfortunately I couldn't.
Oh, you haven't. You don't watch your own movies? Do you have something
Though
about that?
I don't, But I missed watching Thug Life
Okay.
actually. I'm so like I told
So
you, so many
Rangeen was
things.
something you saw on the screen for the first time, and it
Yes, I saw it when the screening was happening.
that's the first time.
Yeah, that's the first
And
time.
what was your reaction?
I enjoyed it because I think Rangeen is, you know, when I read this script, I was like really fascinated because we don't talk about subjects like this.
Female desire,
Yeah,
agency.
agencies, we don't talk about intimacy, we don't talk about desires, we don't talk about the complexity and complicated
Marriage.
relationships. Yeah, like two people coming together,
Mhm.
and then what happens? Then we condition so much that we always have this, society,
Mhm.
family, relationships, your, surroundings, your culture, your so it is so labeled, so many ways. And they people like wants us to kind of behave according to their own
There's
way.
yeah, yeah, their rules and all
So
that. I really like the fact that you put up a story yesterday where you asked, "Do you judge? Do you judge her,
yeah, because I'll tell
the
you,
character
I've
in
got
Rangeen?"
so many messages
Mm-hmm.
where they, some of them are really bad,
Mm-hmm.
saying that ki such woman should not exist,
Okay.
and this is why our society is going nowhere. And I'm like, when, when are we going to talk about these things? And
Was this already part of the script? This the nuances, or did you add to this thing? How was your experience negotiating your character with the script?
yeah, of course, there was many things which I felt because
The writer is a debutant, Amar.
yeah, Amardeep and Amir, brilliant, and um, so because the vision was very clear that they don't want to make it very titillating.
Mm-hmm.
They just want to make it like a everyday drama, which is actually happening everywhere, and we have just labeled uh, such things, and or otherwise we are just put it under the carpet.
Yeah.
Okay, let's not talk about it. It happens everywhere, but let's not talk about it, kind. So I'm glad that Amardeep and Amir has kind of, uh, wrote this as a everyday thing. It's like,
Mm-hmm.
it's like a,
So the nuances were already there for your
yeah,
character.
it was always
Okay.
there. And, but just my one important thing was how her journey will be. Like what will happen. So for me, the end was very important. I don't know if I can talk about it, but I
Of course,
think
it's been like 2-3 weeks.
yeah, I know. So yeah, because for me it was important that what decision she takes after all these things, because it happens now, like when we talk about green flag or red flag kind
Yeah.
of a person,
Yeah.
and if we think that ki Arey, now he's a better man, woman, whatever,
Mm.
I'm going for like both sides,
Mm.
but it's not necessary that what others are saying,
Yeah.
it's fine for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe he must have tick marked everything that okay, you wanted this, I'm ready to give you that.
Yeah.
You wanted this, I'm ready to give you that. But not necessary that.
Yeah,
that's
conventional
exactly
logic
how it
is
is.
would demand that she
Yeah,
take him
and
back.
yeah,
And you
absolutely.
love the fact that this woman was independent and that was her journey,
Yeah,
right?
because that's what happens. I feel we have forgotten, that we are an individual first. We've forgotten that we all have an agency. We all should stand up for our own selves, rather than looking at the people to kind of give hands to,
Mm-hmm.
because it's unfortunate that there are very small community of women or even men,
Mm-hmm.
who is kind of finding their space in this society,
Yeah,
but there are many who are still following the protocol.
correct.
There are many women, especially I can say that they are going through so much in their relationships, or in their family affairs, but they don't have that courage, though they must be on a bigger position, um, but
Financial independence being
yeah,
the
yeah.
problem, right?
Yeah, no, but it's not just about the financial independence. Of course, for like the Naina's journey, that was a part of it, but it's independent of like taking your decisions, because we forget that.
Yeah.
We
That you can
are,
do this by yourself. You don't need another
you
person's
don't need.
approval or permission.
Yeah, and you have to decide what is your green flag
Mm.
or red flags are,
Mm-hmm.
rather than people deciding for you. So, or Rangeen, mein there are so many places, like a lot of times people were telling me, like why I put up that story as
Mhm.
you asked me. It's like so many people saying that he's so good. Look,
Mm.
he's crying because of you. And I'm like, ki, look at the smaller nuances which writers have written, which give you the fact that he doesn't know. मतलब एक लाइन है उसमें जिसमें वो कहता है कि अगर वो गुम जाए और या अगर वो कुछ कुछ हो जाए तो मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि उसे कहाँ ढूंढूं.
Yeah, yeah.
मतलब how it is in a relationship that you take
For
someone
granted.
so granted कि
Mm-hmm.
so I think it's high time for people to realize that कि you stand up for yourself. You're the first, like मतलब you give priority to yourself, which a lot of times women don't give.
Yeah.
And it happens till like today.
They looked at it as the mother figure, the one who has to do the
Yeah,
sacrifice and they
I
take care of
know.
everyone, like everyone's a child.
Right.
Nice. So how let's talk a little bit about your process itself of picking a part. So you get your scripts and you have like how many scripts at any point in time to consider,
No, I don't take too
and
much
what
of
makes
it.
you pick up a script and read? What about it?
See, of
Because it's a
course,
commitment. 100 plus
it
pages is a
it
commitment.
It is. Series is a longer commitment
yeah.
that way. So I feel, of course, a script, the people behind that script. For me, it's very important because even if the script is good, then why are you making it? What is your intention behind? In case if whatever
Mhm.
it is. So for me, like this the script and the makers are very very important,
Hmm.
and that's how, like if these two things are
And then what happens? You're reading them. Do you make notes? You have a process. You circle things, or you read on your phone. How, the mechanics
yeah,
of
of
it.
course I like to read script, all of them.
The physical copies,
Yeah,
or-
like not necessary physical copies. In case if someone is sending me, it's okay. But otherwise, of course, a laptop too.
Okay.
So yeah, I read. I make my notes. I want to understand that why this person has behaved like this. Like even in Rangeen also, when I read it, I was constantly thinking that what will be the reaction of her, because
Where is this journey going?
yeah,
Mhm.
like even like if a man is so agitated and you see he's falling, crying and all, will she give up and say that, hey, I'm so sorry?
Hmm. What is her mental makeup?
What will be, yeah. So for me it was fun, because and at that time I had just finished Trial by Fire,
Mhm. Yeah.
the Upahar Cinema Hall case show.
Yeah.
And I was on, like,
was a fantastic
Neelam
show.
Krishnamurthy,
Uh-huh.
and Neelam is a very different human being. Her reaction for something like this will be bizarre and different. So for me, coming out from there and getting into the shoes of Naina was,
Wow.
yeah, because Naina is very different. She has her grace and she has her, like the strength is in her quietness,
Mhm.
So the strength is in her, like grasping everything and kind of contemplating and not reacting immediately with
Mhm.
that. So there are so many decisions one has to take
Yeah, yeah.
for their characters, because on that basis your journey is set,
Correct.
so for me, even like the scene where I come home and pick up like I give him the keys and we start fighting, he start like kind of screaming at me and she says, कि बिस्तर तो हमारा है,
Yeah.
हम दोनों का है,
And you say no, it's mine.
yeah. तो मैं वही बोल रही कि that whole thing is कि कि that reaction for me was very important. अगर मैं भी अगर चिल्ला के बोल देती उससे कि पहाड़ में जाओ तुम, that the show would have been different. For me it was very important that how will I react to him. और वही होता है ना कि when you've gone through so much, that time that it's, you forget to scream,
Mhm.
quiet strength,
Mhm.
तुमको तुम कभी नहीं समझ पाए मुझे.
That was written that way, or that is a choice as an actor that you made to perform it like that.
Both ways. Both ways it happened. Of course, it was written with a very lot of grace for Naina's character, and that's what, like, because Amar and Amir were always there on set, so you get it. You feel it when they say that, I want grace, I want Naina to be a quiet strength. So then you choose, ki, acha, oh, if this is how it is, then she will not react. She will not scream. No matter if he is falling, crying. She's just looking at him. Ki, look, rather than having a conversation with me, this guy is crying.
Yeah.
This guy is screaming. So look at the ego this man is, carrying with him.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
वही तो है ना,
Yeah.
एज एन एक्टर मुझे खेलने को मिलना चाहिए यार. तो मुझे वही कि बॉस, अगर एक इंसान ऐसा कुछ है, तो मेरा रिएक्शन क्या होगा. सो फॉर मी दैट्स द फन फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर कि यार
So-
you have put up on that thing, because a lot of time it happened that because Vinit will come up with some lines, and sometimes he'll just change the scene ka behavior, and then you have to play with it.
So there are no rehearsals. Everything happens on set.
No, we did, of course, some rehearsals and all, but see, everything is not just rehearsal. Like a lot of times you have to keep like that 25 to 30% for set.
Yeah.
And then on set, because of the atmosphere, because of some like time issues or some
Yeah.
like technical things or whatever this that, you change, and then you have to play. तो मेरे ख्याल से इसीलिए हमें शायद सीरीज के लिए हायर करते होंगे कि ये खेल लेंगे कुछ तो अपना.
Do you are you facing or do you think you get approached with the same kind of roles a little too often? Is there
It
some sort of
happens.
stereotyping or like trying to put you in a box that happens?
No, but that always happens, and I think that happens with every one of us. But like after Sacred Games, for next 2 years I was getting the same role. But then I waited patiently, and then Fame Game happened, where I played a gay police officer, and then after that I was getting police officer roles, but then Trial by Fire happened. And then after Trial by Fire, immediately Rangeen happened. So, and in between, like Ismat Chugtai happened,
Yeah.
Savitri Bai Phule happened.
Yeah.
So, glad that,
That
there
you
are
got.
people who wanted an actor and not someone who can just like, अरे उसमें बहुत अच्छा काम किया, उसको ले लो type. फिर उस टाइप का नहीं हुआ. They wanted an actor who can just immerse into a completely different character. So मेरे लिए अच्छा है कि I don't have to be famous for something,
Yeah.
and people will still find me.
Yeah. Okay. What is the most challenging thing for you as an actor in today's times? Is it the talent management? Is it the chaos? Is it like what about what are the modern challenges as an actor? Social media, there's so many, right?
Yeah.
What do you struggle with?
Yeah, of course I struggle a lot with the after that what happens, and of course before also. Sorry, but हाँ, मतलब to talk about the project is also a challenge. लगता है खत्म हो गया, चलो. But yeah, it's nice. It's a conversation. We should talk about it. But yeah, मतलब there are still people who wants to put you in that box. So some creators like, तो वो उन लोगों से जूझना is a challenge because see me differently, and then you have to wait, so you have to have that kind of a patience in you. So initially it was difficult for me, but I think with the time frame, with the good people came into my life, I think I've understood that कि like running for something is not me.
Nice.
I really want to enjoy the process. So that's why I don't do too many projects. I am like, I choose.
Do you relate to mainstream Hindi cinema, the kind of roles, the portrayals of women in the mainstream Hindi cinema?
I don't think so. People write any characters for women on mainstream cinema now. Very few. very, very.
So it's not your cup of tea, those.
No, it's not that. I definitely would love to do mainstream cinema. I'd love to do commercial, comedy, whatever, all that Bollywood jazz. But I feel nobody writes characters for them, for us. Like, for a woman who has crossed her 30s, they don't write characters for them. Either they should be like from the school, or otherwise they will be played like, a 50-year-old's mother. I think most of the lot of women in 30s are playing
That's
50-year-old
true.
mother.
Yeah.
So, matlab, I don't know what kind of fascination is that, but yeah.
Tabu, on the other hand, she loves Bollywood, she loves the mainstream
Yeah.
things, and she hopes people give her those kind of things, but they always give her art house things. So she's like, why do you just think that this is what I do? For her, it's like being seen as a art house person that bothers her more, because she loves the mainstream format.
I
At
know,
least you are like,
we
you
all
love.
do.
Okay,
Like,
you do?
No, we all do. I think if it's a well-written script and if we have something to, like, play with, why not? Yeah, we
Okay.
all would love
So
to
you
do
like the
it.
musical format, the dancing and all of that?
Absolutely, why not? Yeah, like I grew up doing Madhuri Dixit dance.
Ah, I heard that in an
Yeah,
interview.
so for me, dancing is like fun, yeah. It's like meditation for me.
The
But it has to be like
hmm
अब वही है ना, 4 किताबें बहुत अच्छी पढ़ ली है, लोग अच्छे मिल गए, तो थोड़ा सा स्क्रिप्ट देख के लगता है कि क्या क्यों लिखा है ये ठीक है.
As an artist, I'm curious. We we like validation. We like appreciation from. No, forget validation. Appreciation from people. The more people reach out to us about something that we've done, we feel like good about it. As an actor, I'm curious. Don't you want more people to notice you, or that's not a need? It's more like a few people who understand it. They are enough for me. How do you? What is your take on this?
I don't think too much about it.
You don't
Honestly.
think about audience. You don't think about who are you
No,
doing
of
it
course,
for.
of course, my work should be seen more and more people, because it's not just for me; it's for the makers. It will be, beneficial. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि see, apart from the commercial space of it,
Mm-hmm.
should be seen and all that, it's part of it. But I should enjoy what I'm doing. For me, that's the most important part. Apart from that, of course, the show has to do well.
Yeah.
My work has to be validated. Something, because फिर आगे का काम जो मुझे
Becomes
task
easier.
करना चाहता है, it will be it gets easier for that person,
Mm.
पर मेरे लिए बस ये है कि I should have fun. I should enjoy the whole process, no matter if it's a serious drama or a romantic or comedy, yeah, or very, very.
But you
this
do
thing.
care about the audience, right? Or you don't care at all?
Like, see, audiences, because I'm
Don't you
creating
want a bigger
characters-
audience? Is what I'm.
Yeah, of course, I
You do.
want people to watch my work and all, and more people to know about what I'm doing, because I think apart from this, like Trial by Fire, I wanted
More people
the
to see it.
entire world to watch it, because
Yeah.
it's not just about me, it's about the subject I worked on. I want that subject to travel. Similarly with, either Ismat Chugtai from Manto, yeah, Savitri Bai Phule from Satyashodak, the Marathi film I did about the social reformer Jyotiba Phule and Savitri
Yeah.
Bai Phule. So it's, even the message should also travel to the world.
Yeah.
So for me, it's both. It's not just like, ki, okay, I should be, but yeah,
Mhm.
the work has to travel because of the messaging.
I'm asking this because you're mostly in the art house form. You're familiar with the art house form, and in the art house form of storytelling, often tends to isolate or alienate a big part of the audience because of the language, the pace, the treatment, sensibility, the aesthetics, even like could be the nuances or the broad stroking. There's so many things that could exclude an audience. So when you're performing as an actor, you're also a storyteller, right? So as a storyteller, you do want more people to like get all of these things that is written. What? So that's why I'm curious to see does the audience weigh on your mind that if you do this much, people won't get it? I have to do this much more so that more people get it. Is there some calculation that goes on? How do you navigate that?
Honestly, that algorithm I've never understood. मतलब, I tried, even like, I tried to do a reel. It takes like so many hours for me to figure out कि एक reel कैसे बनानी है. It is difficult for me. Maybe that's not my space to be in. Similarly, of course, I love my audience. Whoever is watching me and whoever is kind of figuring it out कि कौन है, मतलब,
No, but in terms of amplification, loudness, I mean, like if you're performing a character, if you feel like if
I think I'll perform even a commercial cinema with whole heart. Even if it's I'll make it better. In fact, I feel like if people give it to me, I'll make that film better.
Okay. In terms of taking the character to more people, you mean?
Yeah, मतलब at least I'll say that okay, अगर इसको इस तरह से किया जाए तो शायद हम तुम्हारा भी स्क्रिप्ट रहेगा और अच्छा काम भी जाएगा. No, it's not like a confidence in me, but I feel कि yeah, more and more people is better, but कुछ चीज़ें अपने हाथ में नहीं रहती यार.
Yeah.
Like, मतलब वो तो है कि you don't know if it's like 5 people is enough for me. Maybe then tomorrow I'll say that no, I want that 15 people behind them who's not watching me, who's watching Kacha Badam or whatever. No, I want them. Then I'll forget
what you
why
were
I
in for.
started
Yeah.
and I will follow that space because then I want those audience to be, and then I'll be more greedy. This is like never ending process.
Sometimes the choice is also political, I guess, because like you said, she made a choice to represent silent, quiet strength in her response with grace. But a more mainstream audience would have been used to her snapping at him angrily because that's more relatable for a larger section of the audience because they are used to that kind of drama and dysfunction and not this mature, understanding, graceful portrayal of silent strength. So that way, our choices are also political. They do, at some level, alienate or isolate one part of the audience.
I know,
don't
but
they?
I think you have to choose what is right, right? I think if we go like what has been served on your plate,
Yeah.
and give you all kind of diseases.
Mhm.
So I think people should stop eating that kind of thing, right?
Mhm.
It's just that cinema is also a kind of a food or medicine.
You're curating taste for the
Yeah,
audience.
so let me just curate a better one. कि तुम अगर ढैरा ढैब देख रहे थे तो ये देखो, शायद इससे कुछ ठीक हो जाए. So for me it's always like that, hope is always there. कि अगर 10 लोग वो देख रहे हैं और एक इंसान ये देख रहा है तो शायद 10 में से एक तो मुड़ के यहाँ आएगा. So I'll have 2 people watching this.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow I'll do something else. Maybe 3 people are watching this. So I'm just slowly, gradually creating a space which is more empathetic, which is like more evolved. So even if I have 3 people watching it, I know those 3 people will be the stronger alive for me than those 7
Okay.
who's not loyal to what they are watching. And so at least my 3 people will be loyal to what it's been served. So that's fine. I think slowly, gradually, the audience is also realizing. They are also pushing themselves, and that algorithm is shifting towards a better work. I feel like, but हाँ, हमारा हमेशा से ऐसा था ना. Like we made good cinema. We wrote characters like Shabana ji to Smita Patil to so many of them portrayed इंटरेस्टिंग रोल्स.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि इजाजत नहीं बना था.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि लिबास नहीं बना था.
Yeah.
This similar roles was written. Drishti,
Yeah.
was written where Irfan and Dimple Kapadia was a Groshoba, where Sanjeev Kumar and
Yeah.
so there is so many films was always part of our society, which has portrayed like showed in a very dignified manner.
Yeah.
And तो but ठीक है, कभी ऐसा ही हो जाता है, काई लग जाती है,
Uh-huh.
and then you have to clean again so you don't fall. So
Yeah.
then you have to keep cleaning,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I give you my social work का एक उदाहरण, so river has to be revived every year. If you don't revive the
Yeah.
river, like, won't it be able to store the monsoon water?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
again, if it won't be able to store the water, then a farming won't happen,
Mm-hmm.
and then there'll be a drought in the village.
Yeah, so
The
stillness is
simil-
bad, movement is good, right?
Yeah, the similar way, our art industry also has to revive in a in a better space.
Mm-hmm.
So
Beautiful.
yeah, so we already have a great river with us. We have great creators. We have great literature with us. What we don't have is, like, a right people who are reviving this space.
The
तो थोड़ा सा
gatekeepers.
हाँ, the gatekeepers. ऐसा लगता ही है. It will take time, but
Yeah.
we all are trying our level best.
Very nice. We're living in an algorithm world, so it's very interesting that you use the word. I don't understand that algorithm and all that. At some
Yeah.
level, this algorithm has its benefits. Like, for example, when we look at the shows that we watch, because it knows what we like, it recommends more things like that. So the algo does seem to have
Yeah.
the plus side also, because otherwise what are the chances that art house films can get discovered today when you need to spend 20 crores on marketing, right?
True.
Like, do you have any, as an actor, do you feel like big screen is still important as it used to be, or you think that's an old thing, like it's no more about the big screen, small screen? Do you make that differentiation? Theatrical?
No, I think a community viewing of a film is beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
That experience is just amazing, and I really miss cinema, big screen.
You didn't go watch Sayyara in the theaters? You didn't cry?
Nahi.
But you haven't seen it yet.
I haven't seen
So
it
you
yet.
see it, and if you don't cry, then we'll have a conversation.
Yeah.
But then
You know, the
you'll be
last-
judging other people and be like secretly wiping off your tears.
No, but the last I saw was I was traveling for my work. Finally, when I came back to Bombay, I saw Sahib Bibi and Ghulam.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, that I watched on big screen. मैंने कहा ये तो मिस नहीं कर सकूंगी मैं, because of course a love for Guru Dutt and Meena Kumari.
Hmm.
So for me, I had
The
to
classics,
watch
you
it.
you
Yeah,
watch the restored
classic.
classics.
Yeah.
They also have Pyasa coming up, I think.
Yeah, Pyasa was already there. I missed Pyasa, watching Pyasa, but what a film now.
Yeah, yeah.
उन्होंने उसी वक्त बोल दिया था कि ये दुनिया अगर
Yeah.
मिल भी जाए तो क्या है. It's like, today also it's the same thing.
Yeah, but I guess the economics have changed significantly, I guess, because until 8 years ago, you could still make movies for like 5 to 8 crores, but today, just everything together, like whether it's the star paychecks, talent management's cut of that, distributors' cut of things, like, the average cost of a small film, like even if it's with newcomers, with Yash Raj saying that we're not going to spend on promotions, it still ends up being 20 crores. Like, even without any talent cost, a small film costs 20 crores, and that is not a. And the bigger problem is being the bigger films that cost 400 crores. How many times can you gamble with 400 crores, right? It's not a realistic format to,
I know.
given that 90% of the films do not work as such. Do you have your own observations about what can be done from your advertising perspective to bring back or revive the business, or to clean the river, as you would call it?
Yeah, I think I've forgotten. I've just kept that advertising person aside.
Aside.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm like,
You don't want to go
God.
back there.
No, absolutely. I don't like, I hardly have a PR thing. Like, people like you call me and say that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do something like this. So I go.
Yeah.
But stylist, PR, it's a lot of money and a lot of time also consuming thing. I can't, like,
You can't play that game.
I can't. It's so much work, यार. मुझे लगता है कि मैं either I can build a school in a rural village or build my social media.
And you prefer to give it to the school.
I preferred my, like, because I know that building a social media or, like, getting spotted every nook and corner is not going to give me work. I think that people should just realize that कि अगर कोई podcast से या किसी spotting से अगर किसी को काम मिल रहा है,
Yeah.
that means they are a bad actor. I feel, you know, like, I'm not saying like bad actor, people are
Yeah.
also did a good work and all. I'm saying that, you know, for me, it's important,
To earn your place.
yeah, to earn my place, to do a pretty good job. You know, no matter what are you giving me, what shade of color woman you're giving me, I just want to do like fantastic work, like immerse myself into that. No matter if she's, you know, completely black or a gray human being or a white person, whatever it is, you know. So for me, that space is more important than,
Mhm.
you know, कि अरे वो मतलब स्पॉट करके वो तो बहुत फेमस है तब मिलेगा, मज़ा नहीं है उसमें. बट
Hmm.
वही है कि आई थिंक या लाइक टुडे आई डोंट वांट टू बी देयर.
Mhm.
I don't know about tomorrow. If someone says that, you know, if platform says that we have to do this, then I'll have to definitely follow that thing. But मुझे वही है यार, at the end, you know, the experience of working with people or a subject I'm working on, बस मेरे लिए इतना ही है. फिर मुझे लगता है कि बस काम ख़त्म करो, go to village, work on something, and then pack your bag and just travel, meet people, live your
No,
life.
you have, because you work at the grassroots level, you also understand the people there, you understand their culture, and you also at some level would understand what is their preferred choice of entertainment or like unwinding, or like what kind of movies do they watch, and like, you know, and then there's the other world, you know, the art house, the refined, the nuanced kind of cinema that you do. So you've traversed both. You know these people, and you also do these kind of cinema.
Yeah.
What I want to talk to you is about accessibility, right? It's taken OTT platforms nearly 8 years to realize that India is largely a single TV household, which means that if you want to tell stories, you tell them to the whole family. Don't think that, you know, if you do an adult show. And Sacred Games was one of the first few things coming from that. But if it was actually more family friendly, a bigger audience could have accessed it, could have watched it. Maybe Netflix got it wrong. Maybe we don't. We're still figuring this new medium out. Where are you on accessibility, and how important do you think accessibility is part of art?
See, not necessary that, you know, मतलब कि every art will be related for, you know, for everyone.
Mhm.
Because some people will, because there's so much which is going on.
Yeah.
So that there is audience for that particular space, you know, and that's okay.
Hmm.
Not necessary that everyone should watch everything,
Correct.
and it's not even possible.
Yes.
People watch, like, you know, matlab, there is this corporate world people, they'll watch like one episode in 1 week.
Mhm.
You know, so people are slow also, like,
Mhm.
and there are so many people that don't even watch Netflix or Amazon.
Correct.
They watch something else only, because we have given them so many things. पहले तो ऐसा था कि दूरदर्शन ही था ना, so that's the reason you still remember those shows at that,
Correct.
which is made that time. But now
What
there
were your
are so
favorite shows from
many.
back then, from Doordarshan days?
Mine, yeah, so many. I used to love Udaan,
Okay.
the Shekhar Kapoor's
Okay,
directed
okay.
show. Then of course Chitrahar, Chaya Geet. इतना ही देखते
What
थे
about the
यार
Sunday
हम लोग.
lineup? They had children shows.
Yeah.
They
See,
had-
like for me, बचपन में स्कूल मतलब, you know, hardly television तो मैं बहुत कम देखती थी. I used to just probably watch songs. My first film was
And it-
Parinda.
And you love Madhuri Dixit, so obviously you've grown up on that
Yeah, I
Bollywood.
was just like, yeah, no, but basically I grown up means I used to just watch her dance. That's it. I
Okay.
don't remember watching those films also.
Okay.
Just those, you know, कि like this Chitrahar and Chaya Geet में जितना dance दिखता था उतना.
Okay.
Otherwise, watching cinema was not in our culture. Like
Okay.
for us, it used to be like, you know, कि थिएटर लेके जाना है तो बहुत मुश्किल होता था my parents को. तो like my first film was, I watched Parinda. वो भी वो किस आया उसमें, there's a kiss in that. My father, like, you know, उठा के लेके गया ना. I was like watching and he was like, you know, let's go. And because he thought that, you know, पता नहीं कौन सी film है. And they didn't know who's like, you know, what is happening and all.
How do they respond to who you've become now? From there, closing your eyes to that, to now what you do. How do they respond
No,
to
but
that?
see, they are also evolved, right? Though I come
Did you
from a,
did you have to have that conversation?
of course,
And
I
did it
had
take how
to.
many years did that take?
I think it will be forever. Every time I have to explain it to them and kind of make them aware that this is what actually happening. And I don't even blame them on that
Of course
because
we can't.
they grew up in a space, their society, the way they function. So you have to constantly educate them.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm glad that they're getting educated. They're trying to understand and
Mhm.
learn about new things.
Mhm.
So I feel कि okay ठीक है, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं कि हर चीज़ें मैं उन्हें समझा सकूं, but कुछ चीज़ें जो है मुझे
But
लगता
it
है
helps, right? Like when you do a Rangeen, you are able to reach out to them and make them
Absolutely.
see a side which they probably haven't.
Absolutely, yeah. So I'm glad that they want to learn about it.
Mm.
They want to know about it, even if they have any kind of questions or reservations, but they would like to discuss with me. So
Do you show your films to when you go back to the village? Do you tell them I want to show you the show that I did and show it to them?
there is no
No?
conversation.
Why-
Very,
why not?
Very few people actually know that I'm an actor.
So you don't like to share your art with that?
No, because for me the work is more important. See, art is beautiful.
But it's
We
privilege.
Yeah, it's still a privilege. I feel for me most important is what crop you're growing. Is your children going to the school? Are they eating? Are they because there's still the malnourished children are there. There is no toilets in the house. There's still no schools are there.
Mhm.
For me, that conversation is more important than any work
See what
that
I
have
did,
done.
yeah.
Because I tell you what, it's been 75 years, 80 years. We made cinema on every subject.
Yeah.
On every social subject.
Yeah.
बट बदलाव में तो बहुत टाइम है यार. मतलब आई फील क्योंकि ड्राउट लाइक वी मेड सम God knows so many documentaries on that, but till today the drought is there.
Mhm.
So the questions are from past 75 80 years is you
Yeah.
know still there, maybe changed here or there a little bit, but questions are there. So for me it's always important is action.
Mm.
I'm glad that I'm telling stories about people, but everything is not online.
Mhm.
You have to get out of your space and work on ground.
Mhm.
So for me, action is the most important part.
But it does help, right? Like tomorrow, like you get a national award. It does draw attention to the whole village. It does draw attention to all your causes. It does. It does help, don't you think that your fame can actually help?
Yeah, see, if it comes like into my kitty, I'm happy.
But you
know,
don't
if
do
they
it for the
If
awards.
they think, yeah, if they think that I'm my work is needs to be celebrated, I'm really happy. I go on stage, I talk about it. Like I recently received a Filmfare for my Savitribai Phule
Yeah.
work. The film, Marathi film. When I went to the stage, just a day before I was back from the village, and there was an incident happened in my school. There was a school I built in a tribal village, and somebody broke the wall of my school, and because there was some issue and some drunkard kind of so I spoke about it on stage. I said, when we talk about a Marathi medium, Marathi this thing, and there is a Marathi medium school I'm promoting in my villages because I want my children to study
Yeah.
in a government school because it's free of cost.
Mhm.
When you send your child to an English medium school, it's expensive.
Correct.
So a lot of these farmers prefer not to send their child to the school
Yeah.
because वहाँ पे जाके तुम कौन पैसा भरेगा. And these private schools are charging. So I am promoting, like from past 15 years, I'm talking about ki government schools, make them so beautiful. So
Yeah.
every other village child would love to go to the school. And because government schools are in the village, they are free of cost and provide more and more facilities. So I spoke about it
Yeah.
on stage. I said कि this is what the Marathi medium schools are suffering in the villages, and please come forward and make our village schools better. So I feel this is how I would love to use if you know you're celebrating my work, then let me tell you the story. That this is what is actually happening on ground.
Let's do that right away. Like, tell us about the projects that you're doing right now in your village. What you need help for, and how can people help? So if you can put like an email address, we'll say it so that anyone who wants to help can help. So here's you can pitch right now.
No, see, I'll tell you, there are a lot of people really want to help, but a lot of times it's not feasible because I work in Marathwada villages.
Okay.
So I want more and more people to work close proximity.
Okay.
So they can be part of the project.
Okay.
Because if volunteering, you can always come to the village and spend time with the farmers and all that you can always do.
Okay.
But I believe that if you want to teach something, it has to be a sustainable, it has to be a consistent effort. Because I don't believe in like workshop कर लिया एक दिन में तुम कुछ नहीं सिखा पाओगे. They will of course have a good time.
No, but in terms of money, I'm saying, in terms of finances.
Of course, if because I need donations. My NGO, it's a non-profit. It's a registered non-profit, and it runs only on people's donations.
Okay.
I do of course I can if any company is there, if they want to give me a CSR funds, company social funds, then they can of course reach out to me on my Nabhangan. Nabhangan is my non-profit name. Nice.
And you're on Instagram and everything.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nabha is sky. And Angan is courtyard.
Oh, nice.
So for me, that's what Nabhangan is, because I work not just for one particular this thing. I work for the entire universe. That's what it is.
Beautiful.
So when I work for a village, I work for a holistic development of a village. So if anyone wants to come forward, please write it to me and my team, and I definitely want more and more people to visit villages.
And how many villages are you overlooking right now? And
So
how many
I have
schools?
30 plus villages.
30 plus? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
30 plus?
Yeah.
Wow.
They're increasing.
And how many children have you got?
So I have 4 schools which I have built.
Okay.
So there are already children are studying over there, and then apart from that, all the other villages where I'm working.
I hope they built a temple for you as well.
No, I don't want. I don't want anything. I think they should build more schools.
Of course.
There should be more and more educational spaces. There should
4
be
schools,
more-
that's amazing. And how many kids are we talking about?
Each one of my school has some school have 150 students, some
Wow.
tribal schools have 20 villages or 30 villages. So it all depends upon where it is.
My God.
Yeah.
And education, there's no limit, so you can always...
Yeah, education has to be revived too. Because the way we are talking about art also has to revive. Similar way, educational institutions should be revived. Because we can't use the same curriculum again and again.
Yeah.
We need to have what new things are going on.
Yeah.
We need to talk about skill development. That we
Correct.
don't teach our children skills. We still till today the villages don't have sports. Though it's part of it, but there are no sports teacher. एक teacher 10 subject 10 class को सिखाएगा. 100 student, 1 teacher. So that person will only teach PT also, that person will teach science also, that person will teach maths also. So there has to be a divide. There has to be a specialized classes, I feel, कि जिसमें आप art, craft, science, sports should be part of the school education. There should be more about craft, because that's a skill development. There should be more about sports, because that's another area where children can go. There should be more about farming. We don't talk about farming in the schools, because children grow up thinking that they don't want to be farmers. They want to be either doctor, engineer, lawyers. We grew up with that. My parents pushed us कि कुछ भी हो जाए गाँव नहीं जाना है. My elder sister is a doctor. My middle sister is an engineer, and I studied law because they wanted us to follow protocol.
Nice.
They didn't know that I'll go back to the rules, but we always follow protocols in life. Yeah,
we do.
Similarly, if I come back to the art world, Even in that also we follow protocols.
Mm-hmm.
कि आप ये करो, ये फॉर्मूला है,
Mm.
ये फॉर्मूला के बाद ये फॉर्मूला,
Yeah.
तो ये चलेगा, then this will happen. No, नहीं होता है ऐसे. We are not that chemical, this thing.
Mm-hmm.
गलत अगर आप डाल लोगे तो फट जाएगा.
Mm-hmm.
So we are human beings, we work on an emotional, we are vulnerable.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes we just cannot create art.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have, if we have a good tribe, we will flourish.
Yeah.
So there are no same days for us. Even as a social worker, when I look at it, there are no same days for me.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah,
Where do you get your stability from?
I think there's that little hope which I have.
Mm-hmm.
Like in the social space, when I look at those children, because a lot of times people say that, कि ये drought तो नहीं जाएगा, और नहीं जाएगा. It will take, God knows, like 100 more years probably. I don't know. But still, drought won't go. Like जैसे calamity won't go. Because हम flood के area में building concrete बना ही देते हैं.
Yeah.
No matter how many times we know that, this is a flood area. This is a earthquake area. But फिर भी वहाँ पे concrete बना देंगे. Because we still planning में बहुत पीछे है ना हम लोग. Similarly in art field also, planning में हम बहुत पीछे हैं अभी भी. What we do कि एक फिल्म चल गई, बस ये फॉर्मूला है.
Yeah.
सब उस टाइप का फिल्म बनाएंगे. हॉरर चल रहा है, हॉरर जॉनरा की फिल्म्स बनेंगी. मैचो मैन चल रहा है, मैचो मैन चलेगी. वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट चल रही है, सडनली वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. वैसे वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट फिल्में थोड़ी कम बनती है, बट मैचो मैन चल गया तो भाई साहब, मतलब सबकी दाढ़ी मूछे डबल हेयर, एंड लाइक एवरीवन विल बी लाइक पुष्पा. So everyone will get into that. मैंने कहा अरे ये तो वो टाइप वाली भी फिल्म हो सकती. But that's what is happening. People are just following particular.
They're following the herd,
formula.
always. Yeah.
So it's like a Pied Piper.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to decide what to follow, what not to do. तो वही है, थोड़ा सा एक एरिया ऐसा है कि our patient level is gone. We like वो जो algorithm की बात कर रहे थे हम लोग, कि हम लोग constantly we are in a AI world also, कि हम constantly हम agitated हो गए.
Mm-hmm.
So we have forgotten the empathy towards ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
We're constantly judging.
Mm-hmm.
We're constantly going through a phase where there's a constant competition we are feeling. So the calmness is gone.
It's amazing. I saw you with a book and not with a phone just before the interview. That's very rare. Mostly people are on their phone and you're with a book.
Yeah, because now you kept Shashi Kapoor in touch with me.
Asim's book, yes.
Yeah, Asim, my favorite, my friend, and Shashi Kapoor is someone whom I really look up to. And look at the other things, like सामने तो Blue Velvet रखी है.
Oh yeah, Raja के Cat, yeah.
So it's so good, यार.
Yeah.
I
Right now
think.
these are just props, but yeah. I'm glad you-
No, but it's like they are my favorite things. And yeah, मुझे लगता है कि there is so much we already have. Now we just have to go back to them and just take them forward with you.
You have a very beautiful way of looking at the world. I hope more people are feeling inspired by how you've navigated not one but two difficult career choices. What do you tell young girls when they want to be actors? What do you tell them? How do you go about it? What do you tell them? Your words of wisdom
Oh God.
to girls who are not able to reach out to Rajshri. What would you tell them?
No, honestly, I'm no one. I'm also still.
Hey, 2 awards. More coming.
No, but I think everyone figure out their own space. They will go through. Like I have gone through all the hustle. I have gone through being impatient. I've gone through the failures. I've gone through the rejection. So everyone will have their journey. Maybe someone will have to fail little lesser, or maybe fail little more. Maybe someone will not have that empathy, or someone will not have that patience at all. So it all their journey, where they come from, what do they think, how do they want their things. So each one should decide what it is. But if I say that, ki I wish when I was 15 or when I was 25, I wish I had gotten some kind of a wisdom at that time,
Mm-hmm.
because I learned on my jobs.
Mhm.
I learned by, like, going through a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So if I say that, then have patience, be with yourself more, trust yourself more, keep evolving. Like I'm telling myself, okay, uh, that I wish all these things, like somebody had told me before, that everything will happen. Just have patience. And I deconstructed my life a lot.
Mhm.
16, I deconstructed, moved from small town, small village to little big city.
Mhm.
Then again I deconstructed, leaving my advertising career
Mhm.
and coming to the Bombay city in an unpredictable place. So it was not easy.
Mhm.
It was like a kind of a ticking bomb, but I felt so good that when you are deconstruct and when you start putting up pieces
Reinventing
together,
yourself.
yeah, so you have to constantly do that, no matter what age you are, where you are. So yeah, and I think your journey is different than the other person.
Mhm.
So for me, materialistic things never fancied me.
Mhm.
So my finances were perfect, because then if I don't have to wear an expensive kurta for a podcast, or a stylist for a podcast, because I know
Mhm.
I'm free.
You're
I'm
comfortable,
like,
yeah.
sitting comfortably. So I don't have to say that कि 1 लाख रुपए का जो मैं stylist hire करके कपड़ा पहन के तो
Yeah.
I saved that money, so I can do other things in my
Yeah,
life,
yeah.
probably. So I feel कि ये सारा जो एक pressure है,
Mhm.
which people have built कि you do this,
Yeah.
so you will get that. वो pressure पे काम का नहीं है. I think the only pressure you should have is how to be a better person.
Lovely,
Nice
beautiful.
one.
Thank you so much, Rajshri. Best of luck for all your projects. It was so
Thank you.
wonderful talking to you, and I feel like more inspired than ever.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Thank you again.
Thank you.